Hello, my name is Amanda Vallejos. Welcome to Owlet Music, where serious music comes to play. Our composer corner for this week is a piece by Christian. He wrote a piece that describes a thunderstorm. It's called Passing Thunderstorm. In this piece, Christian starts out with a sunny day, and then you hear the thunder come underneath and start rolling down in the bass with a diminished arpeggiated chord, and he also flirts a little bit with the chromatic. Christian moves beyond that and then back into the sunshine when he has this fantastic parallel thirds theme going on in the right hand at the end of his piece in a nice cadential passage. I hope that you really enjoy Passing Thunderstorm.